Laurentians. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Piedmont is a charming town in Quebec, nestled in the Laurentian mountains. It's about 60 kilometers north of Montreal, making it a peaceful retreat from city life. The town sits along the North River, and is easily reached via Autoroute 15 and Route 117. Piedmont offers a variety of activities for visitors. In winter, the town is a hub for skiing, snowshoeing, and tubing. The nearby Summit Olympia ski resort provides slopes suitable for all skill levels. During the warmer months, the town's scenic landscapes are perfect for hiking and cycling. Golf enthusiasts can enjoy local courses, and the area is home to several health spas, art galleries, and antique shops. The town experiences a range of weather throughout the year. Summers are long and comfortable, while winters are cold and snowy, offering a true four-season experience. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Piedmont's welcoming atmosphere and picturesque surroundings make it a delightful destination to explore.